Hello friends, in this video I will show how to download and install any Android application to your laptop or PC. So firstly open any web browser. Now search here bluestacks.com. So just you need to click on download. This is the version 5 and this is the version 10 and install in your system. Here guys you will see all version for this BlueStack as your system like Windows 10 or 11, 64 or 32-bit. So just download. Once you download successfully, double click on this setup file. Now guys, once you done, you can download and install any Android application. Just click on Play Store, Google Play. Now here sign in your account. So as we can see, we have this Play Store. You can download any application from here, any games, and you can use your laptop as mobile and Android device. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.